It's for Staten Island. Oh gosh. Alright. Oh gosh.
Until 6:30 p.m.
It's for Staten Island. Oh no.
At 5:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Far Hills, or 7 miles north of Somerville, moving southeast at 30 miles.
Oh goodness.
Union County in northeastern New Jersey, Richmond County in southeastern New York.
Oh gosh.
Until 6:30 p.m.
Observed. Oh.
At 5:46 p.m. Around 6:20 p.m. Tottingville around 6:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following county: Union, New Jersey.
I might be placed in an SVR soon. Oh gosh.
Damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Plainfield around 6 p.m. Clark around 6:10 p.m. Linden around 6:20 p.m. Tottingville around 6:25 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Alright, nothing.